In the next 50 seconds, I'm gonna tell you how I made $25,000 wholesaling real estate. I will say, as a realtor before, I thought wholesaling was a scam. But when I became an investor, I found out that it was legit and that you can make lots of money doing this. So first, you as a wholesaler are gonna find a seller that is okay with selling their property way below market value. And yes, they do exist. Next, write up a contract between you and the seller for a price. Let's say $450,000. Make sure in the contract it says that you are allowed to assign the rights to this contract. Once the seller accepts, then you take the contract to a real estate flipper. Bring them the contract and assign it to them for a fee. This fee can be whatever you want, but it still has to make sense for the flipper. In my case, my assignment fee was $25,000. So I got it under contract for $450,000. I signed it to the flipper for a $25,000 fee. So the flipper essentially is buying it for $475,000. Obviously, the flipper would only buy this if it made sense for them and they could flip it for a bigger profit. So yes, it is legit. It's not easy, but it is possible. You're making way less profit than the flipper, but essentially you have zero risk because you never buy this property. Follow me, Jeremy Mateo, for all things real estate.